Welcome sa Buhay na Bayani Vlog.
So, ito na ngayon yung ating Bats 146. So, ang ginagawa namin ngayon ay wiring muna kami sa table ng mga iba't ibang klase ng switches, no? So, single switch, 2 gang, 3 gang, 3-way, and 4-way. So, siyempre, inuna namin yung single switch. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, ito, single switch una, control niya ay 1 valve. So dito ay line-to-line power source ang gamit namin. Ayan. So ito na ngayon. Bali, 4 na table. So ito yung pangalawang gumamit ng ating ginawang board nung glass bats. Ayan. So ito sila. Ayan. So ito yung pangatlo. Ayan. Ito yung pang-4. So antayin natin na matapos nila yung ginagawa. Tapos check ulit natin, tulad ng mga ginagawa ng dating training natin. Ayan. So, check natin kung okay yung ginawa nila. Ayan. So, hintay lang natin na matapos. Ayan. So, ito na, may natapos na group, bali group number 1. So, i-check natin yung gawa nila. Sige, sir, saksak. Okay, breaker on. Okay, switch on, sir. Okay, off, sir. Isa pa. On, off. Okay, so yan ay single switch control 1 valve. So ang sunod niya, sir, control naman 2 valves. Okay? Okay, sir. So ito ulit, may nakatapos ng natin, wiring sa table. So bali group ko sila. I-check natin yung gawa. Sige, sir, saksak. On, breaker, sir. On, switch. Off. On ulit, sir. Isa pa. Okay, so very good. So next yan, sir, ay single switch control 2 valves. Okay? Okay. So ito ulit, may natapos na group. Bali group 3 sila. So check natin yung gawa. Sige, sir. Okay. On, breaker. On, switch. Off. On ulit, sir. Off. Okay, so ayan. So ang next niyan, bali control naman ay 2 ilaw. Okay? So ito ulit, bali ito yung pang-4 na group natin. So i-check natin yung gawa. So ang ginawa nga nila ay single switch control 1 valve. So sige, sir, saksak. Okay, on, breaker. Okay, on, switch. Off. Isa pa, sir. Off. Okay, so ang next niyan, sir, control naman niya ay 2 ilaw. Okay? So ito naman, bali ay single switch. Control niya ay 2 ilaw. So i-check natin yung gawa nila. Sige, sir. On, breaker. On, switch. So ayan, so 2 ilaw. Off, sir. Okay, isa pa, sir. On, off. Off, sir. Okay, so ang next naman yan, sir, ay 3 ilaw naman. Okay? So ito ulit, bali ang ginawa rin nila ay single switch control 2 valves. Sige. Okay, on, breaker. On, switch. Okay, off. Isa pa, sir. Okay, off. Okay, ang next niyan, sir, ay 3 valves, no? Okay, very good. Okay na, sir. So ito ulit, bali single switch control 2 valves. So i-check natin yung gawa. Sige, sir. Pasak. Okay, on, breaker. On, switch. Okay, off. On ulit. Okay, so okay na, sir, off muna. So ang next niyan, 3 ilaw naman, sir. Okay, ito ulit, i-check natin yung gawa. So bali yung pang-4 na group ito. So single switch control 2 valve. Sige, sir. On, breaker. Okay, on, switch, sir. Okay, off. Isa pa, sir. Okay, so next niyan, sir, 3 ilaw naman. Okay? Sige. So ito naman ay single switch control niya ay 3 valves. Sige, sir. Breaker. Switch. Okay, off, sir. Isa pa, sir. Okay, very good. So ito ulit, single switch control 3 valves. So bali yung pangalawang group natin. Sige, sir. Okay. Sige, sir. Switch. Okay, off, sir. Isa pa. Okay, so off, sir. Okay, very good. Okay na, sir. So ito ulit, bali ito yung pangatlong group natin. Check natin yung gawa. So single switch control 3 valve. Sige sir. Switch. Okay. Off. Isa pa sir. Okay, very good. Okay na yun sir. So ito ulit yung ating group 4. So check natin yung gawa. So ito ay single switch control 3 valve. Sige sir. Okay, on. Switch. Okay, off. Isa pa sir. Okay, off. Okay, very good. Okay na yan, sir.
Maraming salamat sa panonood ng Buhay na Bayani Vlog. Lahat tayo ay pwedeng maging bayani.